In this video, I am going to show you how to get monetize your YouTube channel, and I am going to show you everything step by step process to monetize your YouTube channel. Starting from review partner program terms and setting up Google AdSense account to YouTube channel, and lastly how to get review on YouTube. Once you complete 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours in the last 12 months in your YouTube channel, then you are eligible to apply for YouTube partner program. So for that, watch the video until the end. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure click that subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified my future videos. Also like, comment and share now. Let's jump into it. Open up your Chrome browser. And go to YouTube and go to your profile icon and go over to YouTube Studio. And after that, go to Monetization tab from the list, and you can see here I already complete 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. So now you have to apply. Just click on apply now. There are 3 steps as you can see here. So step 1 is review partner program terms. So what you have to do in first step, read and agree to the YouTube partner program terms. This is the agreement that makes it possible for you to earn money. To do that, tap on start button and you have to read and agree with the YouTube terms and condition. To do that, just come over to this small box and click on that. I accept the YouTube partner program terms. Then after that, what you have to do, come down, just click on accept terms. So you have to wait a moment. After that, you can see it's already done. So the second step now, sign up for Google AdSense. So what you have to do here, you have to create a new AdSense account or connect an existing one to your channel. You need an AdSense account to monetize and get paid. So if you have already AdSense account, you can add that or you can create new. Just click on start. Then you will get this page. You will be redirected to AdSense. Complete this step. To do that, just tap on this small icon. As you can see here, first one is yes, I have an existing account. Then second option is no, I don't have an existing account. And third option is I don't know. So if you have already AdSense account, you can give first one, yes, I have an existing account. So I don't have, that's why I give second option. No, I don't have an existing account. On the next screen, choose the Google account you want to create an AdSense account. So what you have to do now, just come down and tap on continue. And now you have to choose your Gmail account that you want to create the AdSense account. So I just click on my account. As you can see here, get more out of AdSense. First one is yes, send me customized help and performance suggestions. And the second option is no, don't send me customized help and performance suggestions. So what you have to do here, just click on yes, send me customized help and performance suggestions. After that, you have to select your country. To do that, just tap on this small icon and select your country. And third option is please review and accept our terms and conditions. Just read it and tap on a small box. Yes, I have read and accept the agreement, and tap on create account. So after that, click on get started. Then you will get this page. So what you have to do here now, you have to fill this form, your personal details. So first one is you can leave it like that, individual, and after that give your full name. And here is address line 1 and line 2. So if you have 2 address, you can fill up this form. So I'm typing my address right now. So after you fill address, give your city. And for postal code, so if you don't know your postal code, go to Google and type their postal code in your area. So after that you will find out. And lastly, you have to give your mobile number, that is optional. I suggest you to give the mobile number as well, and after that click on submit. Then you can see here redirecting you to your host. As you can see here now, second step also in progress. So in this second option, it will take some time to get done. In my case, I got only 1 hour to verify my second option. And third one, from YouTube, they will review your content and YouTube channel. To get review, YouTube will review your channel to make sure it completes with the YouTube Monetize policies. We will email you a decision usually within a month. This step will begin automatically after you complete the first 2 steps. In my case, I got review after 12 hours. If you want to get review faster, I already create one video for that. You can check now right hand corner that video card. Also, I will put that video link in the description box. So that's how you apply for Monetize. If you like my video, please make sure click that subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon to get notified my future videos. Like, comment and share now. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.